They know to apologize. They will give you all the right words. They will, even if he's lying to you.
But they do all those things, but still be careful.
Be careful with yourself.
Okay. Watch out for wolves dressed in sheepskin.
Stop laughing. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. This is Tina and you're welcome to Be Until Lifeline. My name is Tina and we have a special guest for you today. Right here. Introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm Tracy. I have a botanical name. Should I say the botanical
What is the botanical name?
No, the botanical name, we only mention them when we are at funerals, funeral rites, when, you know, old people, they can't mention their Christian name. So they say, for now, no botanical names, please, guys.
For now, call her Tracy.
And Betty right there.
Yeah, and I'm Betty. Usual suspect.
So today, as we promised, we put what is happening now?
We are not seeing properly.
Stop laughing.
Yeah.
That is better. That is.
You'll cut the other person, introduce a
Yeah.
question.
Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. This is Tina and we have a special guest for you here, a specialist in dating.
No.
Yeah, we decided to bring a specialist.
A specialist in dating. So we're going to talk about so many things.
Yeah.
Her name, she's going to introduce herself.
Yes.
So
Okay,
what is your name?
I'm Tracy. Just call me Tracy, that's all. Relationship, dating expert. That's my new title.
Yeah, and we have Betty right there. So what we are basically going to do, we are going to talk about dating. I put a poll post on YouTube and I asked you guys what topic you wanted to watch next on our channel. Most of you selected dating in Uganda. So today we are going to talk about dating in Uganda. What you should expect if you're dating a Ugandan lady
Yeah.
or
Man.
a man in Uganda.
Or if you're planning.
You're planning on dating someone in
So
Uganda. How is it?
Be attentive if you're planning.
Yes. So basically, is anyone dating here? Because we might be talking to amateurs who are not even dating, who have never dated before. Tracy, are you dating?
Yeah,
Are you Ugandan?
many people.
This girl is dating so many guys, so she has so much
She has to-
experience.
I have
She's the
experience. Of
perfect
course, I'm the
example.
dating expert, so I have to go around doing research, you know. So it's just for fun. Sometimes you have to date for
the
fun.
best teacher.
Yes.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, that's a joke. I'm not dating so many people. I'm not dating multiple people.
Dating a few.
So Tracy, the expert, how have you found dating in Uganda? What is your experience?
Compared to other people, I think dating in Uganda, I may feel like it's a bit easier in the sense that, you know, when you go out with a guy, he pulls the what do they call that thing that looks like a book that they bring? The bill.
The bill.
He pulls the bill and he pays the bill. That is how it's done here in Uganda. First of all, when you're taking me out on a date, don't expect me to pay. Gentlemen
Yeah.
out there, don't expect me to pay for the bill. Don't expect us to split the bill. You pay the full bill. Be
That
a
is so
gentleman.
true. With
Pay the full
Ugandan
bill.
ladies, you don't have to pay. The lady doesn't have to pay in bill. It is the man to do
pay the
the
bill.
bill.
Yeah.
Especially on the first date, you don't expect me to come with, and at least you have to give me transport after. I shouldn't ask you that you need to give me money to go back home or anything, but I
Yeah.
expect you to give me something, or at least provide transport, Uber,
Or drop me.
or drop me home. So in Uganda, we don't expect a man to just go and date with a lady and just live without anything. So what about if you're meeting for the first time? What should you expect with a Ugandan girl?
When you're meeting
Dressing.
a Ugandan girl,
Yeah, dressing.
for the Ugandan girls go all
Dressing
the way. They go all the way. They go hard when it comes to dressing. You know, there's this funny thing that I heard that when you go with someone on the first date,
date?
you meet their representatives. You don't meet them.
Have
You
you
meet
heard
their
that?
representatives.
That is
So Ugandan girls go all the. I think that is why we really get so disappointed when you meet this guy.
For the
You
first
know,
time.
for the first time, and then he expects you to pay the bill because you invest in so much,
So much.
time. You go to the end, you did get your nails done, you do your hair, you get the best
Clothes,
outfit,
the
and
best
everything.
perfume, you smell good.
Yeah,
So the guy
especially if you-
expects so much from you. Expects maybe you're living a good life. Yet
Yeah.
actually, you're not that well off. But we do that. We invest so much on a first date.
Yeah.
That's what really happens.
No,
here.
it's because first impression is
matters.
Matters a
You
lot.
know, as the saying goes, you don't get another shot at first impression. So you want to give
Just
them the
one.
You need
perfect
to
first impression.
impress the person perfectly.
Yes.
Yeah, so basically dating in Uganda is not really so hard. What you have to know is you just have to impress your partner. Really impress. For the guys, what you shouldn't tell a lady on a first date in Uganda. If you're dating a man in Uganda, you shouldn't a woman in Uganda, you shouldn't tell the lady that you're not, maybe you're staying home. It turns off women so much. People want to get women
Grown up.
guys.
Men.
Yeah,
Independent.
independent guys who have something, who have an investment, and even your type of job. You know, girls get turned off. In Uganda, I don't mean, of course, you shouldn't date anyone who is not working or what, but your job also matters.
Yeah.
You
What
should
you're doing matters.
what you're doing. So most people want to hear. Of course, if you're consultant, if you're marketeer, such titles, you don't have to say maybe you're just at home, maybe you're studying.
Yeah.
Most girls don't want to hear that.
don't even want to hear that you're at home.
That you're at home, at least you're doing something for yourself. Trust me, you'll win this lady.
But I think every grown-up woman these days, there's someone. It's not like we don't want people who are not working. Don't quote us wrong, but
Yeah, that is true.
you need to have. But even you men have changed these days. Men who are watching this, you've changed. You want girls who are working.
Who are
you want girls
working
who can take care of
themselves.
themselves. You know, you don't want a girl who is
It's
when
just at
it's-
home
it's-
sitting,
yes.
who will be depending
Yes.
on you all the time for
Exactly.
everything.
And guys, here is the thing that I wish every man knew. Stop lying, because your lies will come out. Us women are really naturally born investigators.
That is so
We
true.
will always find out. So don't get caught in it. Just be honest. Tell someone the truth. From day one, just tell me, you know what, this is this and this and this.
That is so true.
Yes.
That is so true.
Don't oversell yourself. You can undersell yourself. That is okay, but don't oversell yourself. It's not
Most
right.
people really lie so much, and even imagine what is this?
Yes,
Then
that's-
another thing that you need to know, if you're dating a Ugandan lady for the first time, if it's your first date, like, you don't need to bring topics that are intellectual topics. You need to be easy. You need to be jolly. You need to be simple. You need to make silly jokes. People
it's
like
okay.
most girls, by the way, like that. They don't want
Yeah.
these topics like
serious
serious
it feels like you're for a job interview when someone is
Yeah.
ask, so how is Uganda, so how was your childhood. Don't ask me those questions.
No, I
Charm
personally
me.
feel it's okay, but let's not overdo it.
Do you know, I met some guy who was telling me that he was trying to date some lady from MUBS, that is from Makerere University. But this lady was really so hard to get. The first time, they made an appointment to meet in some restaurant around Akamwesi. So when they went that side, the guy offered her some money. She was like, I don't need your money. I have all the money I have. Like, he was just trying to boss around with the money that he had. Then he was like, okay, can I offer you lunch? He was like, no, I can afford lunch. Then the other thing that really made this lady get into this guy, because the guy just said, can I offer you, okay, let me give you money for OTT. She was like, what? She died. That's okay, let me offer you money for OTT.
That's nice. Now that's funny.
Yes, it was really
it's
so funny. She was
charming.
like, okay, this is really, since you're really a funny guy, I can take this for OTT. You know what OTT is? That is the internet tax that we pay here. So it was really so funny. It was out of the blue that she really didn't expect that from that guy. So you need to be very funny. You need to be very jolly on a first date. You don't have to ask us
Let's
so
not be too
complicated
serious.
stuff. Don't be too serious for
Too
life.
serious
Come
is
on.
boring.
boring.
Sometimes.
Yeah, it is. But also we understand if you get so nervous. Basically, but I think before you take someone on a first date, you need to at least know them. You need to at least understand them, know what they're comfortable talking about.
That is
Honestly speaking, this business of meeting me today, then tomorrow you're starting to investigate me. I don't want it. Let's first have a communication first.
Communication first.
Yeah, let's have a communication first. You will share certain things. Don't start interrogating me, and then don't come showing me that you have the money.
You have the money. People don't like
because Guys,
that. Show offs.
don't. Yeah, it's not good.
It's not good to show off so much.
No, it's okay to have, but
Don't show me that you
have the
it.
money.
Don't throw it on my face. Don't.
Yes, people don't like that, by the way. Then another thing that you guys should know when you're dating in Uganda, do not ask them their age. Women in
no,
Uganda,
we don't like.
I
We
heard somewhere
don't
you
like-
can actually sue someone for asking your age.
why would you ask me my age?
That's
Just
not,
look at my appearance, how I talk to you, and judge.
No, but, it's
asking the
okay
age,
to
trust
ask
me.
the birthday,
Maybe the birthday, someone will
the
really
month and the date.
the month and the date, that is it. Because of course we love birthday gifts. I want our guys to remember. To remember when your birthday is, but do not ask me my age. You will just realize that maybe as we go along with the relationship, you will get to know it. But on the first date or when you're dating someone, do not ask. Ugandan girls don't like to be asked their age. I don't
That
know
can
why,
be
but
asked,
it's
but
common.
at a later,
Not Ugandan
later
girls
stage.
don't want to be asked their age. Don't
All
ask.
girls.
Don't ask. Just like we don't expect you to tell us how much you earn. Though we sometimes ask, and we know you lie. Don't ask about her age. Don't ask.
Then asking a lady if she's a virgin.
Ah!
How do you find that?
Who does that? How do you?
You don't have to ask
Guys,
the
No,
lady
you
whether
don't.
it's
Really?
That it makes the other partner a bit
How do you
annoyed.
even ask him if I'm
if
still a
you're
virgin?
still a virgin, you know?
And
It's
then,
so
and then the other
embarrassing.
thing I wanted to point out, guys, really, guys who meet you on the first date and they're like, I want to marry you. I've been waiting. I've been looking for a life for my whole life. Come
Why?
on, that is so. It's so annoying. I can't stand it. It's annoying. It's
so-
annoying. It's just I can't. Mm-mm.
Ugandans, you don't ask them to marry you on the first
It's
date.
just
It
you
is
don't know
courtship.
me like that.
Yeah, you need to court first. At least courtship is inevitable.
time.
Take some time, some months, even years. Then you ask me out for marriage. But if you come out and just say, I want to marry you,
Yeah.
you're really so beautiful. On the first date or the first days that we are dating, come on. I don't take you serious. It's not
What
serious
if I
at
turn
all.
into a snake in the middle?
In the night.
How will you know? Huh? Mm-mm.
No, it's not right. It's not right.
But on
guys.
that note, by the way, our Ugandan guys, I want to really thank you. Our Ugandan men, they know how to pick the bill and pay the bill. Kudos to you guys. They'll give you money to take care of your hair. Thank you, guys. Thank you. They'll give you transport to go back home. Thank you, guys.
That is so true.
Yes, they just understand.
Ugandan guys, by the way,
Yeah.
give us money. They
Very
really give
caring,
money.
that's
They're really
true.
so caring. Very charming. They know what you and they know to choose the right words at the
Yeah,
right time.
yeah, so charming.
So dating in Uganda, if you're getting a Ugandan guy, trust me,
They're
he will
nice.
most especially the Waganda.
Those ones. When he's apologizing to you, he buys you a gift.
The Waganda,
Everything gift.
the Waganda guys.
They
Everything
know how
gift.
to apologize.
They know to apologize. They will give you all the right words.
Yeah.
They will, even if he's lying to you,
But they do all those things, but still be careful. Watch
be
out.
careful with yourself.
Watch out for wolves dressed in sheepskin.
So guys, that's what we had for you today. Hope you really liked. Is there anything you want to really add that you
And then also there's this. Yes, I understand we've talked about paying our bills, but there's this misconception that Ugandan girls love money. What do you guys think?
loving money? Let me tell you, every lady needs money. The other day I was talking to someone and I was like, okay, how do you find a foreigner who's here? So I asked him, how do you find dating in Uganda? So he was like, of course, Ugandan girls really love money. Then I asked him that, is it so bad to ask for money? Then he was like, no, it's not really so bad to ask for money because they need it. Most of them have low-paying jobs.
Yeah.
That is the truth.
Yeah.
The girls, they have low-paying jobs. So if they ask for money from you, it's not a crime. It's not really bad.
No,
because
but-
they need to also supplement. And we have something in Uganda that
Sente z'ekikazi
yeah.
ziba za kikazi.
So even if you're working, if a lady is working in Uganda,
But there's just
You
something
still have-
about your man giving you. Like,
The
there's
man
just
has to give
something.
you the
I
money.
think it comes down to how our Ugandan men have really gotten us used to these things.
Used to
Because,
these things.
yeah, even if you have your own money and your man is like, your man, your husband,
Your
your
husband.
boyfriend is like, oh, your hair looks I
terrible.
think you should have this money and go and fix it. That is
It's just
just
a
how we
thing.
are used. This is, yes, it's
Uganda.
what we are used to. So when we
Even
ask
if you're
you,
working, at least
Yeah.
the man has to provide. That's how it is here.
Yeah.
The man, your husband has to provide for you for your
Yeah.
hair, for your nails, for your fuel. Your money is just to supplement at times. Sometimes, maybe at home, if you have a family, or if you just want to offer him maybe dinner sometimes, maybe surprise him sometimes. That's what you really do. That's how it is maybe sometimes.
yeah. And maybe a word of advice to our fellow girls. Much as men are not supposed to take the bill and pay it, once in a while, surprise your man, pay the bill when you get your
Yes.
salary.
And
So
like,
it's
it's
a
not
bill.
bad to
Guys.
also
No, it's not.
surprise.
Yeah,
Not
pay
bad.
By the way,
bill.
guys also love surprises.
Yeah, they do.
So,
Once
fellow
in a while,
ladies,
pay
surprise
the
your
bill.
guys sometimes.
And
Take
stop
him
coming with a
out.
bunch of girls when someone has invited you out.
That is another.
Stop
In
collecting your whole
Uganda,
village.
first date, people go with other friends for security. I don't know why.
Maybe
for
they're
security?
just
I
not
don't know.
sure.
They're not sure of the guy, so what they do basically is to go with someone, but still annoys the people you're going to meet sometimes. But it happens here a lot. People really come with other friends, uninvited friends, which really gets embarrassing sometimes for the guy who is really hosting you guys, okay?
Yeah.
So
Budget-wise.
Yeah.
budget-wise, it is not really good,
Not
as you say.
realistic. Yeah.
It's not
It's a bit
realistic.
I wouldn't want someone doing the
Yeah.
same.
So guys, that is just if you have anything that you want to add, how dating is in your country, how you guys really find dating,
Yeah.
maybe in other countries, or even some things that you missed out in Uganda that you want to add on, just leave your comment down below. We shall really be happy to share all our
Would
experiences
love to know how dating goes on
in your
countries.
countries. Yeah, so guys, that's what we had for you today. Hope you really enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up. And all the new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Any word for our subscribers, Tracy?
Enjoy dating in Uganda. It's actually simple. Enjoy dating, but don't enjoy dating, but choose wisely.
Choose wisely.
Yeah, choose wisely.
Right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. See you on the next video. Peace out.